Вечерва на МТМ телевизија, своеглавата и ексцентричната сестра Джеки.
Had this been an actual broken bone, Fiona's arm would be quite bruised.
Real blood, fake cast.
I think it would be good to be a patient.
Talk to Kevin about your idea of a gift for the girls, and it makes them uncomfortable.
Every interaction is stored in the Pillamatics memory.
It's totally inappropriate to have this meeting in front of Eddie.
Your shitty pill dispenser is replacing me.
What up?
Is your face different?
Yeah, trim my goatee.
Looks good.
I do not like that guy. I do not care. Take it up with HR.
I'd be happy to go to HR.
Shouldn't you be peeing in a cup somewhere?
Shouldn't you?
Hey,
Вечерва, 21 часот и 40 минути. Сестра Джеки.